All right, sports fans, let's rewind the clock. On this very day, June 2nd, back in 2012, something special happened in Kingston, Jamaica. The one and only Yohan the Beast Blake stepped onto the track. It was the JAAA All Comers Meet, and Blake was ready to make a statement. He lined up for the 100 meters, and the energy in the stadium was electric. Everyone knew they were about to witness something fast. Blake exploded out of the blocks. He powered down the track with incredible form. The finish was absolutely explosive. The clock stopped, and the crowd erupted. He ran a stunning 990 seconds. That was his very first sub 10-second performance of the season, and it looked absolutely effortless. Smooth drive phase, powerful finish, pure sprinting perfection. This race wasn't just a fast time, it was a declaration. It marked the moment Blake hit top form, building momentum towards the crucial Jamaican Olympic trials. He was peaking at the perfect time. This incredible performance set the stage for his epic showdowns at the London 2012 Olympics. There, he pushed the legendary Usain Bolt to the absolute limit, claiming two well-deserved silver medals. Remember, Blake was only 22 years old then, already a world champion and still hungry for more glory. This race proved his readiness to challenge the very best on the biggest stage. It also served as a powerful reminder to the world. Jamaica's sprint depth is absolutely phenomenal. The talent just keeps coming, pushing each other to greatness year after year. This has been This Day in Jamaican Sports History, proudly powered by All Sports Jamaica. We bring you the moments that define our legacy. More greatness drops every single day, so don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe right now and stay locked in with us. Give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite Yohan Blake moment. And hey, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Go watch our other This Day in Sports videos too.